Sage Accounting provides an easy-to-use online accounting and payroll software for small businesses. By integrating it with OnePageCRM, you can easily create and send invoices without leaving your CRM account. All it takes to turn your deal into an invoice is one click. The system will automatically recognize any contacts or organizations associated with an invoice. If a contact doesn't exist in Sage, we'll create one for you. Simply review and add the details you need, and hit send. A copy of the invoice will be saved in the deal information, as well as your activity timeline, so you can view it at any time. A quick link will bring you right to your Sage account, where you can preview the invoice and make further edits before sending to the client. Connecting OnePageCRM and Sage takes just a couple of clicks. Simply create a new account or connect an existing one, and you're ready to go. Save time, streamline your sales process, and turn every deal into a paid invoice.